Tell me few major social issues of Punjab.
Sir, ma'am, the major issues of Punjab involves the aspirational migration. Second, the unemployment opportunities, and the third one is a water
Unemployment
crisis.
opportunity.
Unemployment, sir.
Unemployment is an opportunity.
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me. Proceed.
Yes, ma'am. These are the major issues which the district of Punjab is facing right.
Okay. What are your takes on Uniform Civil Code?
Yes, ma'am. The Uniform Civil Code is a legal framework that provides uh, uniform civil.
That it is understood from the name itself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your opinion? Should it be there or not?
I mean, it should be there, but there should be a consensus between different communities, and their viewpoints should be taken care of at the same time.
What viewpoint you will take care of? Suppose a community is there where they practice polygamy. So they will obviously advocate that we practice polygamy, so keep polygamy in UCC. Should we keep polygamy in UCC then?
So that's the point. Like the voice of different communities should be heard of, and there should be a consensus.
Anyway, can you tell me what is glass ceiling effect?
Class ceiling, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the women particularly, they are restricted to some higher positions in employment opportunities that can be called as glass ceiling effect.
Okay. Can you give me few examples where women have broken this glass ceiling?
Ma'am, there are many women CEOs leading the corporates.
Okay.
Okay.
Any other from public
Yes,
administration point of view?
ma'am, President of India itself.
Okay. Good.
Sir.
So you are from Ganjam, right?
Yes.
So what is the major issue that people face over there? If you are posted over there, tell me one issue that you will try to fix as an administrator.
So mainly the migration issues.
Okay.
Sir,
Why
will
the
you-
migration is happening?
Sir, the migration is basically due to aspirational factors like for better socio-economic positions. They are migrating to.
So how do you stop it?
So by providing certain skill development facilities, they can be employed at their.
One example.
For example, we can facilitate them with PM Vikas that promotes skills.
Okay. But they are going outside because there is no jobs here, right?
Sir, there are jobs like it is mainly based on agricultural. There are like grains and pulses. There are
Okay.
many lands, but the technology and the irrigation facilities are not adequate there.
So you are a JNV student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are a physics honors student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But your optional is sociology?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tell me what are the major tribal issues that we have in Odisha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mainly we have the majority of PVTGs, 13 out of 75, and the main issues they are facing is displacement due to some big infrastructure projects like dams, and due to deforestation, their livelihood is at risk.
Okay. Name few PBTGs.
Ma'am, Konda, Sora, Mankidia.
Okay.
Where do you find the Mankidia tribe?
Sir, they are also present in Ganjam, sir.
They are also present
Yes,
in
sir.
Ganjam. Okay. Your hobby is sports, Kho.
Yes, sir.
And what is Ranappa?
Sir, it's a folk dance form prevalent in Ganjam district.
Okay. What kind of dance it is?
Sir,
I
we
mean,
have
is
to,
it community dancing or solo dancing? What is
it's a
it?
martial dance form. sir.
Martial art.
Yes.
And you can do that
Yes, sir. It's on bamboo. On bamboo sticks we have to perform.
on bamboo sticks.
Yes, sir. On stilts.
So you have been preparing for both UPSC and OPSC.
Yes, sir.
This is your in UPSC. How many attempts you have given?
Sir, 2 attempts.
And OPSC?
This is my first attempt, sir, and first interview.
Okay.
So tell me how the social media is impacting the society.
Ma'am, in 21st century, it's the social media which is playing the playing a role at its peak. Like it can be a double-edged sword. We can
Yes.
communicate with each other instantly. We can, if we want to send some information, it can be given at a short period of time. But at the same time, there is maintenance of disinformation, which can go the other way.
Okay. So how does social media impact say children's from a sociological perspective?
So it may impact their socialization mainly, because at the first step we have our family and school. That's the main agent of socialization. But nowadays it's social media which has been replaced the two major institutions.
So tell me, okay, suppose you have to choose a posting between Ganjam and Koraput, which one you will choose?
So wherever the government will,
There is a choice to be made. Tell me which one you will choose.
the Ganjam and Koraput. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, Ganjam.
Okay. Between Ganjam and Khorda?
Khordha, sir.
Why?
Sir, because compared to Koraput and Ganjam, I have better lived in Ganjam, so I know the socio-economic realities there. And compared to Ganjam and Khordha, I have spent much time in.
Do you think the American now imposed 50% tariff on India, right? So tell me, they are now calling it Modi's war, Russia-Ukraine war, they are calling it Modi's war, right? So do you think, that thing is justified?
Sir, I don't think so.
Okay. Why?
So because it's the recent sanctions that has been proposed by USA on Indian economies, exactly the main reason was due to the import of Russian oil.
Yes.
But
So is that justified? No.
so the sovereignty lies first. Like it's our national interest. We can buy oil from Russia or maybe from other countries.
Okay. So which particular sector of Odisha is going to be impacted by this? Is it going to
Seafood,
impact?
sir.
What is the size of Odisha's GDP?
Sir, 115 billion, sir.
Okay. So can India afford a war with China?
Sir, it seems there is no reasons to
Go for a war.
right.
Okay. How many times China is bigger than India in GDP terms?
Sir, 5 times approximately.
5 times?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Any questions? No. Okay. So done with the interview.